front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts and tap on Continue or Use without an account. Then hit Add Contact and tap on the one that you wish to set up. Now do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of them, use this X next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!